Kuringana na itua ria acirithania ana aria metikanirie na kayo kamwe guteaniria maumirira maya kuri na maundu maria komiconi ya IEBC yathitwo kiwatho na no nginya imarumirire. Wa mbere ni gutigirira ni yaiga mutaratara murumu wa gukinyaniria githurano.
Conducting the fresh election consequent upon our orders, and indeed in conducting any future election, IEBC must do so in conformity with the Constitution and the law.
Under Article 86 of the Constitution, IEBC is obliged to ensure inter alia, and we quote, whatever voting method is used, the system is simple, accurate, verifiable, secure, accountable, and transparent.
Of importance are the expectations of transparency, accountability, simplicity, security, accuracy, efficiency, and especially verifiability of the electoral process.
Thutha wa kuoneka ati form 34A na B iria ciahuthikaga kuyuria maumirira ciari na mahitia matiganite, acirithania aya maugite form ici ifatie gukorwo ihanaine ciothe na ire na arama cia gucikurana na aria mafatie gucitukia no nginya mekire thaini.
That all forms ought to be in a standard form and format, and though there is no specific provision requiring the forms to have watermarks and serial numbers as security features, there is no plausible explanation for this discrepancy, more so when Immaculate Kasaiti deposed that all of them had those features.
Kuringana na watho wa bururi, wona cira wa kuregana maumirira wandikithio ufatie guthikiririo na utuo ihinda-ini ria thikũ 14 riria nĩ inini muno, na nikio acirithania aya mahoete mbunge ya bururi eke ugaruruku watho-ini.
The decision in 2013 and the present petition, it was a matter of agreement across Kenya that 14 days is not enough for parties and the court to fully deliver on their respective mandates. Not because they cannot, in fact they all have, but because there may be the need to conduct exercises such as a recount of votes or scrutiny which require substantial amount of time. Yet the legislature ignored pleas to rethink the time frame.
Thutha wa itua riri, maitho mothe marorete kamiti-ini ya IEBC githurano-ini kiria kiendekithitio tariki 17 mweri-ini turorete gutigirira ni maruta wira uria mehokeirwo na muno makirumirira watho o nginyagia gaturumo ka muthia nginyagia maumirira manirirwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.